Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to be making an origami dog. So first of all we're going to start off with our usual square piece of paper. Again, this piece of paper is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters after I cut it out of an A4 piece of paper. But you can do it with any kind of square shape. First of all we're going to fold over the square piece of paper and make a nice firm hold. Okay, like that. Brilliant stuff. From here we're going to make our kite shape. So first of all I'm folding over towards the middle and pressing nice and firmly like that. Nice firm creases. Haven't made that particularly tidy, but let's just make that, tidy that up a little bit. Great stuff. Okay, do the same thing with the other side, folding it over, making sure we have a nice clean point at the top, and firmly press down on the sides. So hopefully everybody's got this shape. Yep, great stuff. So let's move on. So from here I fold it over, gently push down, so it looks nice and clean. Good job. Okay, so from here, a bit like the elephant, I'm going to bring the top over the top, okay, like so, and then push down nice and gently. Great job. So from here, I leave probably around about 2 centimeters gap here, and just fold this over, like so, and again pushing down nice and firmly. So from here, what we want to be doing is now folding this over like so. Okay, so hopefully your shape looks like that. Yes, good job. Okay, so from here I'm going to make the tail section. So from here I gently fold over the back, so you can see there's a little bit of an angle to the line, and then from there I'm just going to fold it back on itself so the tail will slightly stick out. Now what I need to do with that now is fold it back inside itself. Okay, so from here I open up, push that gently in like so, following the crease that I made earlier, and then I'm going to fold it back on itself so I have the pointy tail sticking out. Again, making sure it's nice and clean. So has everybody got that shape so far? Good job. So from here I'm going to make the ears. Just slightly turn it, fold back like so. Do the same thing with the other side, so I'm going to turn it over and then just follow the line of the fold on the opposite side, pushing down nice and gently. Okay, so from here, a little bit like the elephant, I'm going to pull this out like so. So we have this very long section here. So somehow I need to reduce that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back on itself here, pressing down firmly, and then I'm going to open it up, push that inside like so. Whoop! I think my origami elephant has just made a runner. Actually it's the dog, isn't it? Obviously you get mixed up sometimes. So again, pushing down on the fold like so. So now your dog is looking a little bit like that. So what I want is a little tongue out the front there. So from here, what I'm going to do is just fold this over from the inside and then just fold it back like so. So that's our dog so far. Let's just go and fold this back on itself. so it looks a little bit more like a dog. I think we're nearly there, aren't we? So there we go. We fold those forwards, so you make more of an ear. And do the same thing with the other side. So your dog has more of ears there. And last of all, see, that's what our dog looks like so far. And to finish it off, what are we going to add on there? That's right, we're going to add a googly eye. So from here, take some Pritt stick, put it on the back of a googly eye, which you can buy in any hobby craft, hobby shop, and gently push down and put it on your dog. So there we go. That is our origami dog. And hopefully that should be able to stand up as well. And you can give it to your friends as a gift. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I hope you have an awesome day, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you very much.